Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin saw a slight dip against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair made a slight upward correction in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound gained slightly against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair experienced a slight dip in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Facebook parent Meta said it plans to invest $10 billion to set up an AI data center in Louisiana, in what would be the tech company's largest data center in the world. The hyperscaler data center is designed to process huge amounts of data required to support digital infrastructure, including AI workloads. US services sector activity slowed in November after posting big gains in recent months, but remained above levels consistent with solid economic growth in the fourth quarter. The economy's outlook remains favorable. Binance US has listed popular meme coin Pepe as US cryptocurrency exchanges vie for a share of the lucrative meme coin market. Pepe trades at a total market capitalization of nearly $9 billion.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Looking forward, the economic calendar features high-stakes data releases and updates that may signal shifts in market sentiment. Traders should be prepared for potential volatility as these crucial announcements approach. With these events on the schedule, it's important to stay informed and agile. Markets can react strongly, so keeping a close watch is essential for strategic positioning.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.